Why?
What is that for, B16?
Yeah, it's a B16 AC fucking pump for a base series swap.
Yeah. That way
Well, now lo que sigue, we're gonna do this LMC. What is it called, Ivan?
It's a hood brace.
A hood brace.
Yeah.
These are for the C10s because they're known for bending right there. So we're gonna try and throw it on there. Puto sol de la verga. There we go. See how that goes. So viene con self-tap screws, 2 of those, and instructions. There's a part number if you guys want to order it for yourselves. Instructions for installing hood brace kit. So yeah. ¿Cuál vida? Pinche desnalgado, mira nomás. So I'll get back to you guys once we get started on the process, or once we learn on one side and I'll record the other. Alright, so for the LMC brace, already put one side. Didn't take too long at all, actually. It took like 5 minutes. But yeah. I'll show you guys the process right now. So what we're using, these are the screws that they come with. Right there. So what we're using, we're on Tascabra. We're using a self-tap. Alright. And then just one of these. And we're using la tratra. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the process right now. No se mira, no se mira. Ay, ay, ay. No, go ahead. It's fucking lighting. So first you take off the front bolt for the hood.
That should be enough.
Quítale. You have to take it off of the way, fool.
Oh, we gotta slide it in?
Yeah. Alright. Alright. And then you slide that. Oh, ready? Yeah. Push up. Have him slide it.
A little bit more.
Ay, güey. Get the screw.
Suéltale. No le falta más frente. Levántale un poquito más. Ahí está.
Right. Damn, lighting is all bad. There you go. Okay, not too bad. Ahí está, ¿sí ves? And then all you gotta do is line it up however you want it.
Okay.
Because it moves. Ready? What do you want to do? Push it forward? Push it in? ¿Qué, mija? ¿Ya?
Yeah. Mira.
¿Ya iba comenzando?
See, that's what happens.
Where's it at? Where's it at? I can't see. Where's it at? Right there. Check it.
That's what happens if you don't brace it.
If you don't brace it, it starts cracking. Right there. So yeah, there we go. Focus! Vente! Open the door so they can get off.
Lorenzo no se quiere bajar. Okay. Alright. Ahí se va a quedar ya.
Alright, sign it. Apriétale pues. Fucking lighting sucks. Hey. Hey, hey. You're good. Alright, now for the front. Put this in here. Come on, come on. Get the self-tap. Like that. Back it off. Quick, quick. Now we're going to use this one with one of their screws. That lighting's all bad, no matter where, what angles. I need them angles the girls get. Yeah. That's it. And just do it 1, 2, 3 more times because that one is on the. Damn, no se mira. Oh well. Well, you can't get one in. Just like that, self-tap. That's it. Keep going. See, it don't take long at all. Self-tap.
Let me just tap that one to you. No es la herramienta, muchachos, es el morro.
Oh, I think it's the D-wall drill, fool. ¿Nomás quedan esos dos?
Sí.
Alright. That's it. There it is. And that's how you install the LMC hood braces. So yeah, what I was saying is 1, 2. That one you can't put on because it's on the ¿cómo se llama esa madre? Indentation or whatever.
Indentation, it's a gap on the hood.
But you got 4 out of that. So you got 4. You got a self taps, and the last one goes on that. Damn, the lighting is way better on this side.
Era, bro.
But yeah.
Ni si quisiera.
A ver, dámelo. So I can show them on this side. Acá está el lighting bien perro. So check it.
Hey, boy.
It doesn't reach. So yeah, it's alright though.
Did you give him the part number?
Yeah. On the paper before Dilala fucking checked it. Oh, yeah, so that's it. I'll do a walk around. Oh no, and this time no. You can check it out in the next video. I'll do the walk around for it after the new springs. Alright, well thank you for watching.